Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sky, in case this is the first time here, and if you're returning, thank you so much for coming back. I really appreciate you. Okay, so today's video is a remix. I will be doing like an update or a remix of the DIY skincare Bentonite clay mask that I put up some months ago now. Yeah, so I was kind of researching to see how I'm going to update and upgrade what I already do, because right now my skin is a mess. Like, well, my birthday some days ago, so I had tons of cake, tons of dairy, and my skin is suffering right now. So my pores are crazy, I'm breaking out, it's just wild. So after tons of research, I saw the Bentonite clay and activated charcoal mask, 2-in-1 bit, so both ingredients in one mask, and I tried it once and it was really good for my skin. So I'm going to do that again, and I thought to share that with you in case you're interested. Now this mask is for oily skin, acne-prone skin, and if you have large pores like I do, right? So the Bentonite clay does the job of drawing out the dirt and no excess oil from your pores, from your skin, and then also helps shrink your pores, and it works for me very well, especially around my cheeks and my nose where my pores are like gully wide, right? So the charcoal does something similar, but what it does is to act like a magnet to trap all the dirt and toxins from your pores and your skin onto the charcoal, and then when you wash it off, it comes off. And it also has a little bit of strong particles, so it sort of act like an exfoliator too while it's on your skin. Now both ingredients in one mask is a very powerful combo, and I'm going to be sharing that with you today. So let's get straight into the mixing. So that's the mask basically. My face feels calm, very calm, and my pores are less obvious. You may not be able to see it from the camera, but yeah, my pores are less obvious, which is the entire point of this mask. Now these are two very key, strong ingredients, the bentonite clay and the activated charcoal. So I advise that you do this no more than twice a week. My skin is not sensitive, so I can afford to go ham with this, but I don't do it more than twice a week because, again, these are very strong ingredients. Yeah, so that's it basically. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, let me know in the comment section. Let me know what you like about this video. If you have any questions, if you have any experiences with these ingredients, let me know in the comment section. And yeah, don't forget to give me a thumbs up before you go, and don't forget to also subscribe to my channel in case you're not. Just hit that red subscribe button down below and join my little family. I really appreciate it. Okay, thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. I don't know why I'm speaking very fast today. I feel a little bit anxious, so pardon me in case you can't clearly hear what I'm saying. Anyway, I'll see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.